Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is a lot different, this intro right here, and I know some of you are going like, what's going on? So we have been house shopping like a lot, like just kind of looking around and seeing what our next move is going to be. So I have some backup plans in my archives of some like really simple projects that I have done for situations like this, so I can get you guys a video. Now, I have been working on a couple of projects this week. I have the projects done and they're completed. I just don't have the editing ready to go out to you guys. So I'll see you very soon with myself a little more together in another DIY project later on in the week. This week's quote is from Tommy Crow, and hers says, "A mistake is the opportunity to try again." I love that. Thank you for sharing with us. If you would like to share an inspirational quote that you know, just leave it in the comments next to the word quote. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon next week with another DIY project.